Auckland kids could travel for free on public transport during weekends and public holidays if a proposal by the Mayor, Phil Goff, and 2 councillors gets the go-ahead. If the council adopts the plan as part of its budget this year, the free travel for under 15-year-olds could be in place by the end of the year. Rowan Quinn was at this afternoon's announcement.
Phil Goff says the move could have the twin effect of helping more families get around the city on weekends and easing congestion on the roads. He says it will come at a cost of $500,000 and there'll be no need to put on more buses and trains.
I think all of us drive around the city and we see half-empty buses in the weekend and near-empty trains. And I think the thought has crossed all of our minds, is there a way that we can increase the usage of these trains and buses that are running on these routes anyway?
Councillor Richard Hills said he had lots of positive feedback from families after one free day of public transport the Friday before Christmas. He says it can be really expensive for those with several children to take public transport.
It really opens up Auckland for parents to take their kids as a family and on the public transport system, because at the moment, probably for most of them, it's cheaper to take the car.
The plan's not a done deal. Councillors have discussed it behind closed doors at workshops, but it will need formal approval as part of the council's annual budget process. Mr Goff is confident all councillors will be on board. He says he would eventually like the policy to go beyond just free weekends, but especially after having to find an extra $500 million for the City Rail link, money is too tight. Councillor Chris Darby says they did look at more extensive public transport fare relief, including helping with school bus fares.
We are not backing away from that. It just requires a bit more work. We're plucking the low-hanging fruit at this stage, and we'll go back to the tree and look at what else is available.
The councillors also announced that ferries will be fully integrated into public transport fares by 2020, a year earlier than expected. That'll effectively mean the bus trip to the ferry is included in the ticket price. I Tamaki Makaurau, more Checkpoint, ko Rowan Quinn, DNA.